Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add effects, reverb, echo in BandLab. BandLab is a free cloud-based music creation platform that allows users to record, edit, mix, and share music directly from their PC or the browser, and its mix editor provides professional tools like effect, automation, and multi-tracking edit. So first you need to open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top we can find this address bar. Simply type down bandlab.com and enter it, and over here you can either create to a new project or you can also select to this before project, as I'm going to select to this project here. And over here what you can do is you can go to this studio over here, and after that what you can do is you can select to the clip, and on the bottom you can find to this effects here, and over here you can select to this add effects in the empty room. And under this effect on the left hand side there's an effects for the reverb as well. You can click onto this reverb, you can select to this reverb effects, and it will automatically set to the clip as well. Again add to the effects here, and you can select to this delay here, and over here you can select to this any of the delay plus filter echo. Click onto this filter echo, and you can use the delay softly to enhance the depth. Extreme delay can distract from the vocal as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.